What's up, Peak Timers? We've got a bunch of brand new premium Hot Wheels. Let's go ahead, unbox them, and get a close-up look at them. From the Circuit Legends series, the 2016 Ford GT Race. From the Open Track series, the Nissan Skyline GTR R32. From the Circuit Legends series, the Porsche 962. From the Golf series, the McLaren F1 GTR. From the Hot Wheels 50th Favorite series, the 71 Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon. From the Retro Entertainment series, the Doctor Strange Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. From the Speed Machine series, the Audi R8. From the Open Track series, the 2016 Mercedes AMG GT3. From the Circuit Legends series, the 1969 Copo Corvette. From the Open Track series, the Audi R8 LMS.